She left. And yeah, it hurts. But what if I told you getting her back isn't about endless texts, dramatic speeches, or begging at her door? It's about strategy, real moves that actually spark her emotions and make her rethink everything. Ready? Here are 5 steps that work. Step 1, disappear, but with purpose. The worst thing you can do right now is chase her. Desperation kills attraction. So your first move, go completely silent. No texts, no calls, not even a like on her stories. This isn't playing games, it's giving her the space to actually miss you. Let silence do what words can't, trigger curiosity and maybe a little nostalgia. Step 2, level up your life and let her see it. Now that you're off her radar, it's time to upgrade. Hit the gym, crush your goals, take care of yourself. Don't do it just for her, do it for you. But here's the trick, make sure she notices. Post a story, update your look, let the world see you rising without her. Step 3, trigger emotional recall. When she's watching from a distance, it's time to tap those old memories. Maybe you share a song lyric you both loved, or a snapshot from your favorite coffee spot. Not an "I miss you," just a gentle nudge. Remember us? Nostalgia is powerful, it brings her back to the good times. Step 4, reconnect, but with zero expectations. Only now should you reach out. Not with a sob story, but something light, a funny meme, a casual "hey, this reminded me of you." The goal? Rebuild that connection without pressure. Make her feel safe, not smothered. Step 5, be the man she regrets losing. She won't come back for the guy she left, she'll come back when she sees growth, confidence, purpose. You can't fake it. Become it. Be the guy she looks at and thinks, wow, I messed up. Remember, the comeback is always stronger than the heartbreak. Subscribe for more brutally honest dating advice, and go claim your comeback.